Santa Ana winds are wreaking havoc all across San Diego County. In fact, right now, Balboa Park and some other city parks are closed for safety. Good afternoon. I'm Heather Myers.
I'm Carla Chiquetta. One woman was hurt on her morning walk in Balboa Park when a eucalyptus tree fell and hit her. She's okay, but that was only the start as the wind took out dozens more trees in Balboa Park and all across San Diego.
CBS 8's Kirsten Holmes has been tracking the wind for us today from the East County to the city of San Diego. She joins us live with the details. Kirsten, you're in Balboa Park. What are you seeing there right now?
All right, guys, we're having a little bit of technical difficulty. I can barely hear you, but I want to show you something. I want to show you this tree. Take a look beside me. This tree is right at the intersection of Balboa Street and Prado near the entrance to Balboa Park. Now, crews had to chop it up after it fell down, but before it fell, this 80-foot tree has stood in this spot for decades. But this isn't the only tree. More than 35 trees fell here in Balboa Park. Now, as you mentioned, one woman, a pedestrian in her 30s, was walking her dog at the time she was hurt, and she had to go to the hospital when this eucalyptus tree fell over on her. Reports online from witnesses say she's lucky, but she suffered a head and wrist injury. And that is just one example of why city officials decided to close entrances to Balboa Park, Presidio Park, and Chollas Lake. Now, as you mentioned, we were also in the East County today. You can see that tree is chopped up, but the East County had some headaches of their own. Take a listen to this. CBS 8 photojournalist Jay Erdman was getting video for our morning shows when he found a rollover, excuse me. Now, listen to this. You can hear the wind as two people actually climb out of that truck. Jay said he had to hold on to the highway railing just to steady himself because it was so windy. And that was the second rollover he saw. He actually was called out to another semi that was turned over on its side. And those two rollovers are why CHP had to close the 8 near East Willows in both directions to high-profile vehicles like those semi-trucks. Now, we talked to one truck driver who says they know that the wind is nothing to play with.
The wind is a lot different to us than what the snow is. You know, the snowstorms, we can handle them. This wind, it's too much. 40-mile-an-hour wind can topple you over.
All right, so again, we're having a little bit of technical difficulties, but I think you guys are back. We have to tell you, city crews are getting rid of tree limbs here in Balboa Park and Presidio Park near Morley Field. Visitors are asked to avoid coming to Balboa Park, and employees of the museums and cultural centers have all been asked to leave for the day. This is all in an abundance of caution. They've even asked us to be careful where we go, and normally we get free reign around this area. They will reevaluate conditions before the park reopens tomorrow, and of course we will keep you posted with any of these developments on air and online at CBS8.com. Back to you guys.